Guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, I'm really excited to share this video with you today because if you are looking to build fitness-related landing pages really quickly without having to know any CSS coding or without having to deal with the headache of WordPress, then you're going to want to watch this video, because what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to share with you how you can build a beautiful 5-minute landing page for the fitness niche that can be used if you are a network marketer. Maybe you are promoting a health and fitness product, or maybe you are a coach, or maybe you're even aligned with a fitness ClickBank product and you need a lead capture page in front of your funnel so that you can start building your list. And you don't want the headaches of having to know too much coding or any of that stuff. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a 5-minute landing page using inspiration from templates that are already out there using our all-in-one digital marketing software called BUILDERALL. So if you want to see how I do that, then keep on watching. Guys, again, thank you so much for watching. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly, truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, well, let's dive right in. I'm going to show you how I build a lead capture page or a landing page in about 5 minutes using inspiration from templates that already exist. You can look like a design pro without the worries of knowing any CSS coding or using WordPress, which can be a real pain in the So with that being said, let me go ahead and go right into my back office. Guys, so let's build this thing. Now, I was searching through Google for some landing pages that we can build relatively quickly inside of the BUILDERALL Cheetah Builder, and I really like this one. Is it any surprise? It's hot pink. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this particular landing page as the template that I'm going to go ahead and design. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this into my second monitor and open up Cheetah so that we can rebuild a very similar looking page to this, and you'll see how easy it actually is. All right, so I'm inside of my BUILDERALL back office, and the first thing I want to do is I want to enter Cheetah. So after I do that, I will go into my Cheetah sample site builder so that we can go ahead and build out a page. Here's where I tinker around with new designs. So I'm going to go ahead and let's do a fitness landing page. Fitness landing page, and we'll call it pink. That way I know which one it is. So fitness landing page pink. So let's go ahead and leave it at that. And what I'll do is I'll have a little kind of like a little picture of the landing page so that you can see what we're building out right here on the screen. So let me go ahead to edit page, and we're going to start off with a blank canvas. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add a blank panel so that I can do that top header that they have over here. So let's go ahead to panels and let's go to blank panel, and I'm going to go ahead and drag in some text. So let's go to add and go to element, and we're going to go to text, and let's bring in a text element so that we can kind of emulate what we have here on this landing page. So we're just going to go ahead and put here weight loss. And I'm going to go ahead and change the font to impact, I think. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the other text that is on this page. So let's go back to add, and let's go to elements, and let's go and bring in some more text. So let's go ahead and bring that over here. And I'm going to put just what it says here on this page: the most extinct, fastest fat buster, because whoever wrote their copy knows exactly what they're doing, right? All right, so obviously that's filler text. So, all right, so we've got our text over here. So what I want to do now is I'm going to reduce the height size, okay? And, you know, it's not going to look exactly the same, but I just want to show you how easy it is to build really nice landing pages inside of the Cheetah Builder, inside of BUILDERALL. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on add, and let's add another panel. let's add a blank panel. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I went and I found some pictures on Pexels. Okay, I found this picture and I'm going to use this and to download it. Now, it's not the exact same picture that they have obviously on this landing page, but it's got what I need so that I can go ahead and put an opt-in form on it, and it's free to download. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that in, and I'm just going to call it women stretching. Okay, so let's call that women stretching, and now we've saved it. Let's go back over here, and now I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to go to the background, and I'm going to change the image, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload that image. So let's go ahead and select the file and bring that in. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and upload that. And we're going to select it. And we're going to click on save. Okay, now I want to open this up just a little bit so now you can see it better. That looks really good so far. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to put an opt-in box right over here. So I'm going to go click on add. I'm going to go to elements, and I am going to bring in a box. So let's go ahead and bring in this box. All right, and let's make it, let's see. I'm going to put the same color of her top, more or less. So I'm going to come over here, and I got this really cool tool on my Chrome. It's an extension that lets me pick the color. Actually, it's this one. And I can go ahead and click on this, and I can choose any color, and it'll get the hex code for me. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to right click here so that I can get the settings panel for the box. And I'm going to go ahead and click on background. And I'm going to change the color so that it matches her top. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add the opt-in form. Okay, so far we've done everything inside Builderall. Very simple. We're not going to have to go to a third party to do anything. It's going to be really, really simple. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add another element. And the element we want to add is an email marketing form. So let's go ahead and select an email marketing form, and we'll go ahead and we'll select this one. Okay, so automatically what it's going to do, it's going to say, hey, you want to select from one of your existing lists, or do you want to create a new list? So we can go ahead and create a new list right from here without having to connect a third-party autoresponder, or without having to leave where the work that you're actually doing at the moment. So what I'm going to do is, just for this particular video, I'm just going to select a list that already exists. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, because it's already formatted, and I'm going to click on save. Okay? All right, so now I'm going to bring this down over here, and I want to change the color of this background button. So I'm going to click on background, and I'm going to go ahead and change it to something that's a little more, matches a little more with what we have going on over here. So maybe black. I'll do black. Okay. Okay, so then let me go ahead and change the border color over here. And I'm going to go ahead and maybe change it to a lighter red. So that way it has more emphasis. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add text. So let's go back up here. We're going to go to add, and we're going to go to elements. And I'm going to click over here so that I'm out of the email marketing, and I'm going to go back to text. Okay, so let's go ahead and select a title H2. And we'll just go ahead and put just a simple sign up now. And let's center it. Let's make that, the font is fine. Let's go ahead and make it bigger though. Let's go ahead and make it like a 40. Actually, let's make it even bigger than that. Let's make it like a, let's make it like a 50. Okay. And all we gotta do is stretch this out. Pull the corner where the little dot is. Pull it out. Okay. And you can go ahead and, oop, I didn't mean to center the whole element. I just meant to center the text. So let's go in here and center this. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make this white. Okay, we can go ahead and put some sort of a headline in here as well if you want to. Okay, so let's go ahead and put like add another element, and let's go ahead and just say download our free fat loss report. Download our free fat loss report and discover the secrets to fat loss. That is such good copy, I'm telling you. And if you want to write better copy than that, guys and gals, we have a script generator tool inside of Builderall when you are at the premium level and the essential level. So make sure to check that out, okay? All right, so that is looking really, really good. So now what I want to do is I want to add another panel, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and go to, I'm going to go to content panel, and that looks pretty much like what we've got going on over here. So let me go ahead and add this one. And it's very similar to what we have going on inside of this landing page. Okay, so let's just write this text here, natural and easy way to lose a ton of weight. So let's go ahead and bring this over here and stretch this out. Okay, there's so much flexibility with Builderall. It's so simple to just edit this stuff, you know, and you're not totally boxed in. Like, you have flexibility of design, which is something that I absolutely love about Builderall. Now I'm going to go ahead and make this a 40 so it all fits on one line, and go ahead and stretch this out just a wee bit more, and now it all fits. And I want to go ahead and center it, and we'll just leave this lorem ipsum text over here, and I'm going to go ahead and center this, and I'll go ahead and just change out this headline to order now, and we'll go ahead and font size that. Let's make that font size a little bit bigger, make the button a little. Now look at what I'm going to do here. Okay, if you were using a WordPress theme like Divi, this would be CSS code. Okay, there's no CSS code here. If you were using a competitor's funnel builder, you would have to go in there and put in the numbers to make this be bigger, okay? Right here, Builderall is as easy as stretching this out. And that saves a bunch of time in design time. And it gives you flexibility of creativity. So let's go ahead and change this background color to black. Okay? Alright, so we're almost done. I'm just going to add one more panel, just so that I can emulate kind of what's on the landing page. I can't see, it's kind of cut off. But let's go ahead and add a footer to this, okay? So let's close this out and add a footer. And we'll go ahead and we will add this footer right over here. And I'm just going to change the color so that it looks a bit like the one in the landing page. And I just happen to have that beautiful aqua right here. So let's go to the menu items here. And let's change out the color here of the menu, the text. And I'll go ahead and just change this over here. And let's click on save. Okay. Now that looks really beautiful. So let's come over here and now let's open this up. So let me go back and edit this so that her head is not cut off. Okay. So let me go over here. And what I want to do is I also want to open this up a little bit. Let's go ahead and save it. And let's refresh. All right, that looks great. What a beautiful, clean page, okay? And everything's included inside of Builderall. Everything is included. You can build, on the premium plan, you can build unlimited landing pages, unlimited funnels, unlimited websites. You have unlimited subscribers in the Mailing Boss, which is our in-house autoresponder. And we've got a bunch of other tools to help you build your business. So this is a really beautiful, simple landing page, and you can just get inspiration from some of the landing pages that are already out there. And I highly recommend that you can go ahead and download some really cool pictures over at pexels.com. They're free to download. And yeah, you can create super beautiful landing pages like this in minutes using Builderall. So if you want to go ahead and activate a 14-day free trial of Builderall where there is no coding, no WordPress, nothing complicated, your site's not going to break if there's an update, you have great stability inside of Builderall, especially with our brand new Cheetah Builder. Oh, and by the way, it is responsive. Let me go ahead and show you the mobile site, okay? And it's already mobile responsive. All you have to do is maybe do a few little tweaks, but there's really not much to change over here. Everything's already mobile responsive. So you don't have to edit anything if you don't want to, okay? So it's basically good to go. Connect your autoresponder and you're ready to go, okay? So if you want to activate a 14-day free trial of Builderall and test out the software yourself, I'm telling you guys and gals, the highest tier is $69.90 and you get everything included inside of Builderall. So I will go ahead and leave a 14-day free trial link for you inside of my description box. Just open that up, click on that link, activate a 14-day free trial, and that means I will be your referring affiliate, which means you are also going to get a bunch of awesome bonus trainings, share funnels, and bonus coaching that I have provided for my team exclusively. So if you want to check that out, make sure to activate a 14-day free trial by clicking on the link right below this video. All right, guys and gals, how easy was that? Well, if you want to activate a 14-day free trial of Builderall risk-free and no credit card required, all you have to do is look right down in the description box right below this video and click on that link, or just go to www.risewithbarbie.com/14-day trial, and that will get you an all-access pass to not only our Builderall Builder, but it would also get you access to testing all the tools that we have to offer in our premium plan, which our premium plan is still less than one of the most popular funnel building softwares out there that starts at $100 a month. And in Builderall, everything's included on the premium plan, so make sure to check that out. Well, guys and gals, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.